1. 1952 Henry J. Pro Street. Price, $37,500, located, Oregon, Illinois. The 1952 Henry J. Pro Street is an outstanding custom muscle machine that combines classic American styling with serious big block performance in show-quality craftsmanship. Finished in a sleek satin black exterior, this professionally built Henry J. has been completely dismantled and rebuilt from the ground up to create a dependable street-driven pro street car. Under the lightweight body sits a professionally assembled 468 cubic inch Chevrolet big block V8 producing approximately 600 horsepower while remaining tuned to operate on readily available pump gasoline. Power is transferred through a dependable 2-speed Power Glide automatic transmission, delivering strong acceleration and proven drag racing reliability. The custom tilt front end provides easy engine access, while the handcrafted stainless steel tube grille adds a distinctive appearance that separates this build from ordinary street rods. Every component has been carefully selected to provide both reliability and outstanding performance, making the car suitable for weekend cruises, automotive exhibitions, or spirited driving. The seller emphasizes that the vehicle must be seen in person to truly appreciate the level of workmanship invested throughout the build. Combining exceptional power, timeless styling, premium craftsmanship, and dependable mechanical components, this 1952 Henry J. Pro Street represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors seeking a unique American custom classic. 2. 1996 Chevrolet Beretta Coupe 2D. Price, $34,000, located, Franklin, Indiana. The 1996 Chevrolet Beretta Coupe 2D is a professionally built race car engineered for serious drag racing while remaining versatile enough for multiple competition classes. Weighing approximately 2,100 pounds, this lightweight machine features a certified 6.0 chassis that is current and ready for competition. Power comes from a dependable Chevrolet 454 big block V8 fitted with professionally prepared aluminum cylinder heads and paired with a proven Power Glide automatic transmission. The car has recorded an impressive best elapsed time of 5.91 seconds under ideal racing conditions, demonstrating its outstanding performance potential. Additional competition equipment includes a strut front suspension, parachutes with air launcher system, onboard fire suppression system, and a complete racepack data logging system for detailed performance analysis. The fiberglass body helps reduce weight while maintaining structural integrity, and the car is configured for both no-box and box racing thanks to its convenient quick disconnect setup. The seller has successfully campaigned the car in super gas competition, proving its versatility. Combining professional race engineering, reliable mechanical components, and competitive performance, this Beretta offers an outstanding opportunity for experienced racers seeking a turnkey drag racing machine. 3. 1957 Chevrolet 150 Black Widow Clone Drag Car. Price, $24,000, located, Newcastle, Indiana. The 1957 Chevrolet 150 Black Widow Clone Drag Car is a purpose-built classic drag machine that combines iconic Tri-5 Chevrolet styling with decades of proven racing history. This custom build features a small block Chevrolet V8 paired with a dependable Power Glide automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake for consistent drag strip launches. The rear of the vehicle has been narrowed in tub to accommodate larger racing tires while utilizing a durable Ford rear axle designed for high horsepower applications. A properly installed roll bar enhances driver safety and reflects the vehicle's long-standing competition background. According to the seller, this Chevrolet has served as a drag car for more than 30 years and continues to represent an affordable entry into classic drag racing. Although the engine currently requires head gasket replacement, the seller emphasizes that building another 10-second quarter-mile car for this asking price would be extremely difficult. The vehicle includes a valid title and VIN, making ownership straightforward. Combining legendary 1957 Chevrolet styling, proven racing hardware, and tremendous project potential, this Black Widow tribute offers an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts looking to own an authentic vintage drag car. 4. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Drag Car. Price, $25,000, located, Dowagiac, Michigan. The 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Drag Car is a professionally prepared competition machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate serious big block performance and dependable race-ready engineering. Under the hood sits a freshly built Chevrolet 468 big block V8 assembled by Ultra Tech Racing and paired with a Turbo 400 automatic transmission featuring a high-performance 4,400 revolutions per minute stall converter. According to the seller, both the engine and transmission are fresh and have never been raced, providing an excellent opportunity for the next owner. Additional racing components include strange rear axles with 5.86 gears, rear disc brakes, a full tube chassis, integrated roll cage, aluminum driveshaft, MSD 3-stage ignition system, dual Holley electric fuel pumps, racing fuel cell, and a dedicated 110-octane fuel setup. The seller describes the vehicle as completely turnkey and ready for immediate competition while noting that many additional upgrades are too extensive to list. Finished in bright yellow, this purpose-built Chevelle combines legendary muscle car heritage with professional drag racing components, making it an outstanding choice for racers seeking dependable performance and exceptional straight-line capability. 5. 1966 Chevrolet Nova Race Car. Price, $47,500, located, Mishawaka, Indiana. The 1966 Chevrolet Nova race car is a professionally constructed drag racing machine designed to compete at a high level while offering exceptional reliability and modern performance technology. Built on a brand new Alston front half chassis with 0 miles since completion, this lightweight Nova has been engineered specifically for serious competition. Power comes from a newly assembled aluminum Dart big block Chevrolet engine paired with a CSU E85 carburetor and twin Garrett turbochargers, creating an impressive combination capable of delivering exceptional horsepower. Every major drivetrain component is brand new, providing confidence for racers seeking dependable performance throughout an entire racing season. The seller suggests the vehicle is equally suited for drag week competition or weekend racing events, highlighting its versatility. The car is both titled and licensed, allowing greater flexibility for select street-driven racing events. Finished to a high standard and offered with 0 miles on the complete drivetrain package, this Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for experienced racers searching for a professionally built, turbocharged drag car capable of impressive performance while maintaining exceptional build quality and long-term reliability. 6. 1975 Ford F100 Pro Street. Price, $26,000, located, White Lake, Michigan. The 1975 Ford F100 Pro Street is a beautifully customized pickup that blends classic Ford truck styling with dependable Chevrolet V8 performance and aggressive Pro Street character. Under the hood sits a proven Chevrolet 383-stroker V8 engine that the seller describes as running exceptionally well while delivering strong, reliable power for both street driving and automotive events. The truck has been carefully built to provide an attractive appearance that matches its impressive mechanical performance, making it equally enjoyable to drive or display. The Pro Street stance gives the F100 a bold and muscular look while maintaining the practicality of a classic pickup. According to the seller, the truck looks excellent and remains in outstanding overall condition, making it ready for immediate enjoyment. Although detailed specifications are limited, the combination of the powerful stroker engine and custom Pro Street styling creates a unique vehicle that stands apart from ordinary classic pickups. This 1975 Ford F100 offers collectors and enthusiasts an exciting opportunity to own a dependable custom truck that combines timeless styling, strong V8 performance, and the unmistakable personality of a professionally built American Pro Street machine. 7. 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Pro Mod Top Sportsman. Price, $50,000, located, Patriot, Ohio. The 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Pro Mod Top Sportsman is a professionally built competition chassis designed for serious drag racing and exceptional straight-line performance. Originally constructed by RJ Racecars, this proven platform previously campaigned by Jason Scruggs achieved impressive 4-second eighth-mile performances using a supercharged small-block engine combination. The current owner has maintained the vehicle since the mid-2000s, preserving its outstanding racing pedigree and structural integrity. Offered as a rolling chassis, the package does not include an engine, transmission, or electronic components, allowing the next owner complete flexibility in selecting a drivetrain that matches their preferred racing class. Wheelie bars are included with the sale, adding additional value for racers preparing the vehicle for competition. The professionally engineered Pro Mod chassis provides an excellent foundation capable of handling substantial horsepower while maintaining stability and safety under extreme acceleration. This legendary split-window Corvette body style combined with an accomplished racing history creates an outstanding opportunity for experienced competitors seeking a premium race platform that can be customized into a front-running top sportsman or Pro Mod machine with modern powertrain technology. 8. 1965 Plymouth Belvedere 2. Price, $25,000, located, Hohenwald, Tennessee. The 1965 Plymouth Belvedere 2 is a professionally built pro street and drag machine engineered for exceptional performance while remaining capable of street use. Finished in green with a black interior, this lightweight classic has approximately 300 miles since completion and has been carefully upgraded with premium racing components throughout. Power comes from a massive 505 cubic inch Mopar V8 built from a stroked 440 engine featuring trick-flow cylinder heads, a comp hydraulic roller camshaft, icon pistons, H-beam connecting rods, and a Victor intake topped with a 1050 Dominator carburetor. A PTC-built automatic transmission with an 8-inch 5000 stall converter, trans brake, and reverse valve body transfers power to a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with Moser components and 4.57 gears. Additional highlights include fiberglass body panels, lightweight drag brakes, Hoosier radial tires, Champion aluminum radiator, electric cooling fan, MagnaFuel fuel system, and a professionally built rear chassis. The seller states the car is capable of running very low 6-second eighth-mile times while maintaining full lighting and excellent street manners, making it an outstanding choice for competitive racers and serious Mopar enthusiasts. 9. 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Race Car. Price, $39,500, located, White House, Tennessee. The 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass race car is a professionally prepared competition machine built for serious eighth-mile drag racing with premium components throughout. Featuring a certified 6.0 chassis and weighing only approximately 1,973 pounds, this lightweight racer has been engineered to deliver consistent and competitive performance. The chromoly 4-link chassis is designed to accommodate larger drivers while providing excellent strength and suspension tuning. Power comes from a freshly built 385 cubic inch engine with documentation, paired with a fresh Powerglide transmission equipped with a brake and 1.80 gear set. Additional race-ready equipment includes a strange strut front suspension, Fab 9-inch Ford rear axle with new 4.88 center section and 40 spline axles, K&R complete electronics system, Pro Cube delay box, LED dial and display, Optima battery, Woolwood braking components, custom Stripster racing wheels, and beadlock rear wheels. The seller estimates the car is capable of consistent 5.50 to 5.60 second eighth-mile passes with the new engine combination. Beautifully presented and professionally maintained, this Cutlass offers outstanding value for experienced racers seeking a competitive, turnkey drag racing platform. 10. 2006 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price, $14,900, located, Portsmouth, Ohio. The 2006 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D is a custom pro street build that combines modern Mustang styling with exceptional big block performance and dependable drag-inspired mechanical upgrades. Finished in black with a brown interior, this unique Mustang is powered by a massive 545 cubic inch Ford big block V8 paired with a durable C6 automatic transmission for tremendous torque and smooth operation. The drivetrain is supported by a heavy-duty Ford 9-inch rear axle and a professionally installed 4-link rear suspension that improves traction and handling during hard acceleration. Adjustable front shocks and struts, along with a tubular K-member and tubular control arms, enhance suspension geometry while reducing unnecessary weight. The seller also includes front runner wheels for owners wishing to emphasize the vehicle's pro street appearance. A clear title accompanies the sale, and the owner is willing to consider trades involving older Chevrolet or Mopar vehicles. Combining impressive horsepower, dependable mechanical components, and aggressive styling, this 2006 Mustang represents an affordable opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a unique high-performance street machine that is equally enjoyable at cruise nights and performance events. 11. 1978 Dodge Magnum. Price, $54,500, located, Indianapolis, Indiana. The 1978 Dodge Magnum is an extraordinary pro street and pro touring build that blends outstanding horsepower with exceptional handling and premium craftsmanship. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this professionally constructed custom has approximately 300 miles and features a powerful 512 cubic inch Mopar wedge engine producing around 700 horsepower on pump gasoline. Performance upgrades include Edelbrock Victor cylinder heads, a hydraulic roller camshaft, TT headers, a competition-built 727 TorqueFlite transmission, and a strange S60 rear axle with 3.73 gears and 35 spline axles. The custom suspension includes firm feel front components, Bilstein shocks, a competition engineering 4-link rear suspension, and chromoly wheelie bars. Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes with Hydroboost provide exceptional stopping power, while Borgeson power steering delivers precise control. Additional highlights include twin electric cooling fans, custom side exit exhaust, custom roll cage, nitrous outlet system, Viper leather bucket seats, suede interior trim, billet wheels, and extensive aluminum fabrication throughout. This exceptional Dodge Magnum offers supercar-level engineering with classic Mopar styling, creating a truly remarkable custom vehicle for collectors and performance enthusiasts. 12. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Collector's Edition Coupe 2D. Price, $25,000, located, Peoria, Illinois. The 1981 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Collector's Edition Coupe 2D is a purpose-built drag racing machine designed for serious no-prep competition while remaining an outstanding platform for future development. Finished in white with a blue interior, this custom Camaro has approximately 10,000 miles and features a professionally assembled aftermarket small-block Chevrolet dry-sump engine delivering substantial horsepower even before nitrous activation. Power is transferred through a JW Ultra Glide transmission with a straight-cut 1.80 gear set and Pro brake system, while a Fab 9 rear axle, for link suspension, and tubular control arms provide outstanding traction and durability. Modern electronics include an MSD7AL ignition, MSD Grid 7730 controller for laptop tuning, and a Nitrous Express Maximizer 5 progressive controller with touchscreen operation. Additional upgrades feature custom stainless headers by Führer headers, extensive chassis improvements, and numerous new or refurbished components throughout the vehicle. The seller describes the Camaro as completely turnkey with significant untapped performance potential and is open to selected trade offers. This outstanding race car combines proven hardware, advanced electronics, and exceptional craftsmanship for drivers seeking a competitive and highly capable drag racing platform.